Hello, welcome back to AI Coding Live, where we use AI to generate code. And as you have seen last time, we managed to create an extension that is now installed into our Visual Code. So we don't need any more going up, down, copy, pasting, and the like. So today, we are going to do a little bit more interesting project, which is going to be in HTML and JavaScript, and we are going to use AI to generate text editor. With this text editor is going to be able to save file, read file, and yeah, those are the main key things we are going to start focusing on up to this point. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good. Now we are here. We know what we want to do. We want to create HTML, which is having JavaScript, but can be able to open files, read files. On somebody can write on text edit and text area, and that text area data can be taken, saved as a file into wherever. Good. Let's see. So, create an editor, use JavaScript for functionality and HTML for UI. If user writes on the editor, should be able to save that in file, and if user want to view text, can click on open button. Okay, I'll need to little bit modify. Right on the editor should be able to place save button and save it. Save it in user preferred folder. if a user want to view text, can click on open button in Bing and choose file, choose file, click on the editor. Editor should fill the page. Let's activate our AI and let's send this to the AI now. Good. I send this to the AI. Hash plus it's gone. The words are too much. There is possibility of having a very, very funny result. Let's wait and see. Because the words, if they are too much, also sometimes is not good. You need to be brief to the point, but yeah, we are going there. It's another thing that we are learning, how to make sure that we can talk to the AI in a certain way that it can understand. So code for UI of the editor, that's good. So we have text area, which is 100%. Where are the buttons? Text area, save and open, and JS, okay? And on the JS code, yep. So good. So we are going to create a JS code here, editor. I'll call it app.js. And I will just move this code because this is totally for JS only. And I'll paste it in app.js. Okay. And I'll come back to my index. I'll save it. And yeah, so it's almost done, but I have to change one thing here. Remember, I changed it to app.js. So that has been done. Save btn, open btn, editor. Alright, let's look at the code. Sometimes, you know, the thing that I've seen a lot of people who are using AI to code, they don't look at the code. They want it to like, boom, that doesn't work like that. You need to know somehow, a little bit, some few move of the language that we are using AI to help you. Because AI has to help you to speed up the process, but not to solve even the problem that it doesn't know that. Okay, let's go together. So we have, this is just CSS, basic CSS of 100, 100, which I'm doubting, we'll see. Because we have some button. And here we have save button, and here we have our script. And the script itself is saying the initialize phase, the three thing, two buttons and the editor. Then there is save button, which is here. Add event listener, click And here we have file name, enter file name, and title.text. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I think we are almost there. This prompt makes you to put the name. After putting the file name, it's saved as texts, you know already. And yeah, and if you open, it does the same. It chooses the file, and boom. Let's see. So some of these functionalities, sometimes they don't work if it's not from the server. So we'll see that. Alright, so I will run, I will debug this. So I will run that in Chrome. And yeah, I will show you now. Let me take you to how it is looking, so that you can know. It should be editor, right? Yeah, it should be editor. Take my viewer to the editor. Chrome editor. Yep. So this is the editor. If you can see properly, it goes up to this level, and here on the bottom, that's where there is our two buttons. I'm trying to magnify so that you can be able to see. The two buttons are here. Alright, if I click open, I should be getting this. Oh, now it's bringing the press to choose file. I'm choosing tempo.py. This is the Python code, and I have selected it. It has only one text, help. Let me choose another file. Let me choose the code of this file. because I see I can access it here. Yeah, let me go to, I'm opening the HTML. No, I can't open HTML. Oh god. I'm opening the app.js. This is the code opened from app.js. Okay. That's good. That's a very good starting point. And let me open something else. I have a lot of other things that I'm gonna open, I think. Can't be logged on those two things. I think our time is running out, so I'll be closing shortly. I have some PHP files here. This has been opened by the app that has been generated by AI. Good. And yep, I have. Lastly, let's now go to the saving. Let me say I want to save. Let me press save. If I press save, they bring untitled.txt. I'll say no, I'm going to call it 1.php. So I don't know where it's going to be saved. It's downloaded, so it's now in my file. Thank you very much. So the next step we're going to do, let's go back to our screen. Yeah. So the next step we're going to do, we're going now to do the beautifying of the user interface. Because when functionality works, you can spend 2 years beautifying, changing this look and that look. So we are going to do that next, but when I'm uploading this, I'll also share the link of where this editor has been hosted so that you can be able to see and experience it. Thank you very much. Until next time, remember, it's AI Coding Live, where we observe, learn how to become the best programmer by learning from AI, dialect learning from AI, which is having huge knowledge of coding and the like. Thank you very much. Until next time, there's no more copy and paste. We just light code dialects. Thank you. I love this.